Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Keita, and today's video is going to be all about how I prepare for my phlebotomy program. And if you're interested, keep watching. I'm going to finish this up, guys, and let you see how it looks when I'm finished. I just finished doing my definitions, and these are the things that I used to achieve this. I used the Papermate Ink Joy 101M. I used the Zebra Mod Liners, double-ended points. I used the Papermate Flare, medium size, as well as I used this pink Papermate Ink Joy and this Sharpie orange. And I used my Post-its. These are the longer orange ones, and these are just the pink ones. And I used this one, a paper flag. Used the orange one and a longer pink one. And I also used my book here, and this is what I came up with. And I was trying to see what would work best for me. And this is what I came up with. Because I am a visual learner, and this is the only one that I did not find. Okay? And I wrote a sticky note, what is this, and research it. And these are all my definitions for chapter 1. Okay, and I hope that you all enjoyed this video, and I hope that you will come back and join me and subscribe to my channel so that you can go along with me over my journey to becoming a phlebotomist. And I will be doing some vlogs for you guys. I will be vlogging the first day of class, as well as a few other things. And I want to take you guys completely over my entire journey. And I have to pick out my book bag, in which I'm probably going to use the one that you've seen in my previous clip. And if you would like me to do a detailed review on that book bag, just let me know in the description. And if you would like to see my pencil bag and how I have set up my pencil bag for this semester of college, please let me know down in the description. I'll be more than happy to get that video out for you guys as well. And I hope that you found this video helpful. And make sure that you like, you comment, and you subscribe to my channel. And I post daily during the week, Monday through Friday. So I hope that you enjoyed this video. And thanks for watching. See you guys in my next one.